Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have admin rights and a saved session. Now start. Open Windows Settings, go to Accessibility Ease of Access, and select Keyboard to begin fixing shortcuts activating while you type. First, turn off sticky keys and filter keys, because brief repeated presses or holding modifier keys often trigger shortcuts unintentionally. Next, enable the on-screen keyboard if needed to test without hardware. Once done, make sure to note the current keyboard layout in the bottom right language bar so you can revert if needed. Continue by hunting background culprits. Open Task Manager or Startup Apps and disable utilities that inject hotkeys, like Auto Hotkey or Vendor Hotkey services. Then go to Time and Language right arrow language and confirm only the layouts you use are installed. Remove extras because switching can trigger shortcut behavior. If problems persist, open Device Manager, find your keyboard, update or uninstall the driver, then reboot so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. Once done, test typing in Notepad to see whether stray shortcuts stopped. Finish by resetting any custom keyboard mappings. Use PowerToys or Registry Remaps if present and revert them, or create a new Windows user to see if the issue is profile specific. Run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter, and, if you suspect system file problems, run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted components. If shortcuts still fire randomly, plug in a clean external keyboard to confirm hardware, and as a last resort, restore to a recent system point. If it fails, a single troubleshooting tip: test under a new user to isolate software versus profile causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.